Strawberry Crisp is the perfect summertime dessert since it can be served cold or warm with vanilla ice cream. This Strawberry Crisp recipe is packed with strawberries and a crunchy cinnamon oat topping. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. All ingredients used will be listed in the video description below. Remove the stems from fresh strawberries and dice the strawberries. You can also use frozen strawberries, but I used fresh strawberries since they are coming back in season. Lightly zest a lemon using whichever tool you have available. Make sure you only grate the peel since the pith of a lemon is really bitter. In a small bowl, combine cinnamon and sugar and mix together. In a separate bowl, add the cinnamon sugar mixture to the strawberries. Then add the flour. Using a spatula, mix together and evenly coat the strawberries. Add the lemon juice and the lemon zest to the strawberry mixture and mix together. Transfer the strawberry mixture to an 11 by 7 inch pan, spreading the mixture evenly and making sure it covers the entire pan. To make the crumb topping, in a food processor, combine the diced butter, flour, salt, cinnamon, brown sugar, and old-fashioned oats and blend together. The topping consistency should be pretty crumbly. Add the crumb topping to the strawberries, making sure you cover the whole pan. Feel free to double this topping recipe for a more crisp topping. Place the pan in a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You will know when this is finished when it starts to bubble and the topping is light brown. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you liked this video and subscribe to bake more good things next week.